Germany's DEUTZ, a leading provider of mobility and energy solutions, has announced a strategic partnership with European defense innovator ARX Robotics, signaling a significant push into the unmanned defense technology sector. The collaboration aims to accelerate the development of next-generation unmanned ground systems, combining DEUTZ's decades of experience in drive systems and energy solutions with ARX Robotics' cutting-edge software and autonomous robotics capabilities. This alliance highlights Europe's growing focus on technological sovereignty and the modernization of its military capabilities, particularly in autonomous and semi-autonomous platforms. Under the terms of the partnership, DEUTZ will serve as the lead investor in ARX Robotics' upcoming strategic funding round, which is expected to close in the near future. The investment reflects DEUTZ's commitment to expanding its footprint in the defense market while leveraging ARX Robotics' advanced expertise in unmanned systems. According to company executives, the collaboration is designed to produce fully integrated autonomous systems that can operate reliably under diverse battlefield conditions. DEUTZ CEO Dr. Sebastian Schult emphasized that unmanned and semi-autonomous systems are becoming indispensable for modern armed forces. By combining ARX Robotics software intelligence with DEUTZ's energy and propulsion technologies, the partnership seeks to create a new standard for European defense innovation. The integration of DEUTZ's drive systems into ARX Robotics' unmanned vehicles will begin with battery-powered propulsion units. These initial systems will be complemented over time by compact internal combustion engines and hybrid powertrains, enabling a versatile range of operational capabilities. In addition, the two companies are developing a sophisticated interface to connect DEUTZ's propulsion technology with ARX Robotics' Mithra OS, an AI-driven platform that manages autonomous vehicle coordination. This interface is intended to optimize the interplay between power delivery and autonomous decision-making, enhancing both operational efficiency and mission reliability. Beyond propulsion systems, DEUTZ's contribution to the partnership extends to energy infrastructure. Its energy and new tech business units will provide solutions including mobile generators, battery storage systems, and swappable power modules designed for field operations. These components are critical for ensuring that unmanned systems can function effectively in remote or austere environments, where reliable energy supply is often a limiting factor. By leveraging DEUTZ's established global production and service network, ARX Robotics will also benefit from the ability to scale manufacturing rapidly and provide comprehensive support for deployed systems across multiple regions. For ARX Robotics, the collaboration represents a major step toward achieving technological independence and strengthening European industrial capacity. Mark Wyattfeld, co-founder and CEO of ARX Robotics, highlighted that combining the company's Mithra OS intelligence with high-quality drive systems and energy infrastructure from DEUTZ will enable faster deployment of unmanned systems to the field. He also stressed the potential for increased operational reliability and system availability, which are essential for modern military operations. The partnership is intended not only to enhance immediate capabilities but also to lay the groundwork for future scaling of unmanned ground vehicles across Europe. The move aligns with broader trends in European defense modernization, where autonomous systems are playing an increasingly central role. Lessons learned from recent conflicts, particularly in Ukraine, have demonstrated the effectiveness of integrated unmanned systems in reconnaissance, logistics, and networked combat operations. ARX Robotics has already been exploring these concepts through its collaboration with drone manufacturer Helsing, where the focus has been on creating AI-driven reconnaissance and strike networks. By pairing this software expertise with DEUTZ's robust hardware solutions, the companies aim to develop fully networked unmanned platforms capable of operating as part of larger, integrated defense systems. The partnership also reflects DEUTZ's strategic ambitions in the defense market. Earlier in September, the company acquired Sobuk, a leading manufacturer of drone drive systems, positioning itself as a comprehensive provider of unmanned defense technologies. This acquisition, combined with the collaboration with ARX Robotics, underscores DEUTZ's intention to become a one-stop solution for advanced propulsion, energy management, and autonomous system integration. By consolidating expertise in both hardware and software domains, DEUTZ is preparing to meet the growing demand for versatile unmanned systems across Europe and beyond. From a technological perspective, the integration of DEUTZ's power systems with ARX Robotics' AI platform offers multiple advantages. Autonomous ground vehicles require precise coordination between mechanical components and software-driven decision-making to perform complex tasks under dynamic conditions. By uniting high-performance drive systems with intelligent autonomous software, the partnership aims to create vehicles capable of independent navigation, energy-efficient operation, and rapid adaptation to evolving battlefield scenarios. The inclusion of hybrid and battery-powered propulsion systems also addresses the growing need for environmentally sustainable and flexible energy solutions in military operations. Operationally, this collaboration is expected to enhance both speed and efficiency in deploying unmanned systems to troops. With DEUTZ's global manufacturing and service network, ARX Robotics can scale production more rapidly while ensuring consistent support in the field. This capability is especially significant for European militaries, which increasingly rely on rapid technological adaptation to maintain strategic parity. By delivering integrated systems that combine autonomy, energy reliability, and mechanical performance, the partnership strengthens Europe's overall defense readiness and capability. The focus on industrial synergy is another critical element of the partnership. Both companies benefit from a model that emphasizes cross-domain integration, combining robotic software, propulsion engineering, and energy management into a cohesive system. Such an approach not only accelerates development cycles but also enhances long-term maintainability and interoperability of unmanned platforms. The partnership exemplifies a "Made in Germany" philosophy, emphasizing high-quality manufacturing, innovation, and strategic industrial collaboration within Europe's defense sector. In terms of strategic impact, this alliance positions Europe to reduce dependency on non-European defense technologies and secure greater technological autonomy. By combining ARX Robotics' advanced AI-driven vehicle platforms with DEUTZ's proven propulsion and energy expertise, the partnership is creating a foundation for European-made unmanned systems that can compete on the global stage. Beyond immediate military applications, the collaboration could also influence broader industrial trends, including logistics automation, energy-efficient vehicle design, and scalable manufacturing for complex autonomous systems. Overall, the DEUTZ and ARX Robotics partnership represents a significant milestone in the evolution of European defense technology. By leveraging complementary strengths in robotics, AI, propulsion, and energy infrastructure, the two companies are creating the conditions for next-generation unmanned ground systems that can operate reliably, intelligently, and sustainably. With lessons drawn from operational experience and a clear focus on scalability, the collaboration not only enhances current military capabilities but also establishes a platform for future innovation. As Europe continues to prioritize technological sovereignty and integrated defense solutions, partnerships like this one will play a critical role in shaping the next era of military readiness, autonomy, and strategic innovation.